Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use custom font in CapCut PC. First of all, collect your font that you want to use in CapCut. I just want to use this one, so download this one and then now open your downloaded file, go to folder. Here you can see it's a zip file. Now it's time to unzip. You can use any software or app to unzip. I just using this software to unzip this one and go to click to extract. This is our font. Double click to install. Here you can see the font's name is awesome. Now it's time to open your CapCut app from your PC. I'm opening this one and then create project. From your text section, click this icon to add your text. Now select all the text from here and go to font option. Here you can see a search bar. You can use this bar to find your font. I am using this one and type your font name and then click to enter. This is our font that I want to use. You can change your text from here. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.